viewers, for today, we are going to learn to cook a Bicolano dish called Laing.
Easy!
Our ingredients are garlic, onion, lemongrass, ginger, pork cubes, ground pork, coconut milk, alamang, and nor pork cubes. And our main ingredients, laing and chili. First, mince the cloves of garlic. Then, chop the onion. You might wanna get a larger knife cause I had a hard time chopping it with this cute knife. Green the lemongrass. Chop the ginger into thin slice. Open the stove and get your pan. Always be careful with fire. Ouch! So ngayon, nalagay na natin ang mga ingredients sa kawali. Add the lemongrass, add the cubed pork and ground pork. Then, add the shrimp paste and coconut milk. After putting everything, bring to simmer. Now, you can add gabi leaves. And with the spoon, push down into the liquid until moistened. Do not stir for the first 15 to 20 minutes to prevent the irritating sensation. You may have been led to believe that this is because gabi leaves contain tiny needles on its leaves that cause the itchiness. Lower heat, cover, and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes
1 hour later.
or until pork is fully cooked and leaves have softened. Now, add the second cup of coconut milk and stir it. And continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or mixture is almost dry and begins to render fat.
One hour later.
Our line is ready. And now we're gonna taste it.
No! God, please, no! Here it comes!
Yummy!